Situated in a tranquil Cape country village, you will find the intimate Greyton Lodge with all its charms. Upon entering the lodge, you are welcomed with a spacious sitting room and a bar area to quench your thirst on a hot summer's day. In the winters, you can enjoy a cup of tea at one of Greyton Lodge's many cozy fireplaces. The spacious dining area offers 2 fireplaces and ample room for guests to enjoy a delicious meal while socializing. Feel free to kick off your shoes, play piano, or enjoy a board game with family in the cozy sunroom. Walking back through the sitting room and into the back garden, you are welcome to a wide patio outside a gorgeous, full-of-life garden with a splendid view of the Overberg Mountains. With geese and herons flying overhead, and at night you can see the dazzling stars, this tranquil lodge definitely offers peace and tranquility and a slower, more even pace of life. During the summer, you can cool down in the pool after a sunbathe on the deck. Situated next to the pool area, you will find the honeymoon suite that offers a comfy, sunny and spacious room with a beautiful bath. This room is perfect for a couple to enjoy each other's company. From the beautifully decorated hallways, the old pine floors and spacious rooms, the Greyton Lodge truly has many characteristics. Guests can also explore the nearby friendly town of Greyton or enjoy magnificent mountain walks. So, if you're a travel enthusiast or you would just like to escape the busy city life, Greyton Lodge offers the opportunity to switch off for a moment and truly enjoy life.